Okay, you guys, today we are going to be pulling the dash out of the Rabbit, and then we are going to make it look not like garbage. So this is the dash, and it doesn't look too bad from here, but as you can see right there, there's a crack, and another one right there. But it gets much worse. This seems to be where most Mark I Rabbits start to fail, is in the dash. And it just looks horrific. I mean, look at that. So, the car's running. Now it's time to start making it look good. I mean, look at the headliner. There is no headliner, it's just the board or whatever. So we're gonna start with the dash and work our way to other things. But today, in this video, just the dash. Well, it took me a lot more time than I thought to pull that dash out, but it's out. I'm going to scale everything on hardness level, so this was really frustrating to get out. I wouldn't say it was hard, it's just the fact that everything is 40 years old and just likes to crumble. So, both of my vents right here, the outer trim just shattered into a billion pieces. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. I don't know if I'm gonna cap them off. But yeah, I would scale this 1 out of 10, a 5. Just because it's not something I usually do, so I'm not proficient enough at doing it. Fire pit here. I'm going to show you what we are using. This is body filler. This is from Harbor Freight. So I started out by taking my GoPro mount off, as you can tell. So I'm just going to start with trimming the edges here, taking off all the high spots. FYI, this is not an original idea. Oh my god. I'm gonna try a new technique. I'm gonna try and sand. This is probably one of the most fun things I've ever done. It's very calming. Now let's just hope that it works. Okay, made another batch. I'm completely forgetting to talk because I'm so hyper-focused. This is a lot more fun than I thought I would be having. This is the progress so far. I put duct tape behind where these holes were, and then cardboard, and then duct tape filling it in. Okay, pretty hard. Just gonna do a little bit of sanding to see what happens. Okay, it is the next day. I did a lot of sanding, and this is what it looks like. It's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better than it was. And I'm just gonna clean it off, and then we'll paint it, see how she looks. Okay, it's a little bit breezy out, but I opted to go with ultra matte black. So that is what we are going to do. See that? That's what I was worried about. It looks better than it did, I guess? I don't know, it still looks like shit. Okay. That looks like shit. Vinyl wrap from my failed attempts at vinyl wrapping. Cover it up. Fingers crossed. I obviously don't know how to vinyl wrap. I've already tried. But this is a nice... Probably 3D print something cool for right there. Yeah, it's gonna be dirty in here for a while. Next, probably seats. Anyway, I would say that the people that you are seeing do this same thing on YouTube are probably experienced and know what they're doing and know how to use body filler and Bondo and stuff. Me, I don't know. I've never used it. And maybe my dash was just too far gone. Maybe it's just complete garbage, which it probably is. Or maybe the people on YouTube just aren't showing you the whole truth. Either way, they make this shit look easy. I'm here to tell you it's not. Okay? Like and subscribe.